guys, it's Deeki and welcome back to another iMovie tutorial. On today's agenda, I'm going to be talking about how to layer clips, like how to add a split screen effect, how to do picture-in-picture, and I'm also going to be talking a bit about the basics of green screening. So let's get started with the video. If you don't know the basics of iMovie, then please go watch my first 5 iMovie tutorials, and that should get you all caught up on what you need to know. So I dragged out this video, and I also dragged out this picture. So here's how it looks. So you aren't able to see the picture underneath. To fix this, we're going to click on the top clip, and then go to this button. Over here we have the option of choosing which method we'd like to use to layer our clips. So right now I have Cutaway selected. Cutaway is when the top clip completely covers the bottom clip. So one of our solutions to this is lowering the opacity. The lower the opacity is of the top clip, the more see-through it is and the more we can see of the bottom clip. This is actually one of my least favorite methods because it's hard to see what's going on. So now I'm going to click on this drop-down menu. The first thing we're going to talk about is a split screen. So the split screen method just splits the screen in half, with each clip on either side. Pretty straightforward. Now we can change which clip is on which side by going to this drop-down menu. See? Pretty simple. We can also change the duration of how long it takes the two halves to slide into each other. We can do this by sliding this button or changing it manually. Our next method is picture-in-picture. Over here, we can resize each picture to fit inside the other picture, like this. We can also change the transition style. The transition style is the style or method the top clip comes in. Right now, it's preset to dissolve, but we can change it to zoom or swap. We can also increase or decrease how big the border is. So let's say I want the border to be 10, and I want it to be a thick line. As you can see, it's made the outline bigger, and that looks great. We can also change the color of the border. Now the final method is green or blue screen. This is a whole nother video, so I'm not going to be going into much detail on it, but I'll be going over the basics, and I'll also make a future tutorial designated to green screening. I just dragged and dropped out a green screen of a like button. I'll leave the link to this video in the description below so you guys can use it in your video. But any green screen clip will work for this. So we're going to click on the green screen clip, and then we're going to click on this button like I explained before. Then we're going to select green/blue screen, and it gets rid of the green background. This also works with blue backgrounds or any bright color. And here's how it looks. Thank you so much for watching this video. If you enjoyed it and learned something new, make sure to leave a big thumbs up and subscribe to my channel. Make sure to keep on eating donuts and be looking for more content coming soon.